Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use Dasher Direct virtual card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So for that matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all access your Dasher Direct mobile app that you have on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you will be able to find this kind of interface, right? All you have to do afterwards is simply tap on this three horizontal line on the left side of your screen as a more icon. Once you have tapped on that part, you will be able to access this particular interface with this option of move money manage card on top. Once you have tapped on the manage card, you will be able to access the settings regarding your cards that you have available right on your Dasher Direct. Over here you can see we do not currently have the option of view a virtual card, but apparently if you have already received the information, if you have already activated that, and if you do not find the information, first thing that you have to do is run to the support of Dasher Direct and complain regarding it and let them solve your problem. But in case if you have, say, this kind of option right over here, which includes a view virtual card and your card's information over here, if you would like to use your Dasher Direct, one thing you can do is you can go to any of the online websites. While you're doing the checkout, you can go to your debit or Visa card and add in the virtual card's information and pay for it. Otherwise, you can also choose to link it with your mobile's digital wallet. Once you enter the information of that, you will be able to pay for that as well. This is how you can simply use it, and hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.